Good morning, my dear children. Today we are doing page number 3. The topic is place value, adding, subtracting multiples of powers of 10. My dear students, before move on to page number 3, I would like to explain how to write the powers of 10. How many zeros each number has. Look at the presentation. Number 10 has 1 zero. 100 has 2 zeros. How do we write 1000? It has 3 zeros. 10,000 has 4 zeros. If you look at the slide, you can see 100,000 has 5 zeros. How many zeros 1 million has? It has 6 zeros. Then how do you write 10 million? It has 7 zeros. Let's move to the first question. Find each person's total score. You can see there is a table in your textbook. In the first column there are some names, 4 names are there. In the second column you can see game 1 points. In the third column you can see bonus or penalty points. Here they have given two words as plus and minus. Plus means addition, minus means subtraction. Now how are we doing this question? Look at the Marvin's number. He has 72,625 points. Then he got plus 1000 marks. So you have to add 1000 to this number. Then Rosie, her number is 518,300. She got minus 10,000. So you have to subtract 10,000 from that number. Like that you can do Wayne and Kirsty also. Find the answers. Let's pay our attention towards the second question. It says increase 3,168,035 by these given numbers. Those are multiples of 10. Increase means you have to add. Now you have to get the help of the chart that I have explained at the very beginning. Very easily you can find how many zeros 1000, 10,000, 100,000 has, and you can add and find the answers. Third question. It says decrease 1,275,463 by multiples of tens. Now here if you look at the numbers you can identify how do you write multiples of 10. You have to get the help of the chart which I have explained at the very beginning. My dear students, decrease means subtraction. So you have to subtract the given numbers from 1,275,463. Do all the questions. Fourth question is very easy. You have to add some numbers and as well as you have to subtract some numbers. So you know how to add and subtract. Very easily you can do this question. My dear students, if you look at the fifth question, you can see there are 3 children. Each one is holding a number board. Zusi, Jonas, Mari. Let's look at the question. How many points has Susie after her score increases by 4,000? What is Susie's number? Look at the slide. I have written her number 324,000. Her number has increased by 4,000. So you have to add 4,000 to the number. You can see very clearly we got the answer. Then the B part says then goes up by 50,000. After adding 4,000 to Susie's number, again that number has gone up by 50,000. So you have to add 50,000 to the A answer 328,000. Not to 324,000. So I have shown it from the arrows. Very easily you can find the answer. Look at the B1. look at the C1. Jonas, after his score, decreases by 30,000. Jonas' number is 249,000. His number decreases. So you have to subtract a number. What is the number you have to subtract? 30,000. Here you can see the answer. Then D part says, then goes down by 100,000. After you subtracted 30,000, again it goes down by 100,000. Here I have shown it from the arrows. You can find the answer. Let's do the Mari's one. E1. Mari, after her score, increases by 400,000. So we have to find the Mari's number after it increases by 400,000. So you have to add 400,000 to 5,470,000. I have not put the number, you have to find it. Then F1 says, then decreases by 2 million. So I have put an arrow, you have to put the answer in that blank place. After that, you have to subtract 2 million from the answer. Then you will get the final answer for F1. I hope all of you have understood the lesson very clearly. Until we meet on next day, have a good day.